right, take 3. Jeez, that was stupid. Ooh, I need gas. Did you just fall on me, bro? Why are you doing that? Stay. What? Bruh! Oh yeah, diesel fuel. Just kidding. Premium. I just did this on my Get Upside app. Not Get Upside anymore. I forgot they changed the name to just Upside now. But you get cash back on your gas, which is cool. So if you don't have that, or we're not done. Get back in there. So if you don't have that, you totally should, my guys. Oh yeah, you're thirsty. Click, click, click. Nozzle up and away. Thanks. I'll take my receipt. What is that? Those things are weird looking. So yeah, I said take 3 when I started this because I made a video the other day, and when I got home, realized that it didn't even recognize my GoPro mic adapter, and that's not the first time it's happened at all. So I made like a whole video, got back, went to edit it, realized I had no audio. Well, I did. It was the GoPro's audio, which was just whoosh, whoosh the entire time. So yeah, I trashed that whole video. That was useless, waste of my time, whatever. So then today, like 15 minutes ago, I got on my bike, started going, tried to turn on my camera. It wouldn't turn on. It just not turning on for some reason. So when I finally got to the gas station, I just took the battery out, put it back in, and now it's starting. So hopefully I at least have mic audio this time. No guarantee there, but yeah, whatever. Yeah, so this video is going to be another GoPro rant. I'm really not a fan of GoPro anymore. I don't know why their stuff started being so finicky. Like up to the Hero 5 worked pretty well, and their mic adapters for like the 4 were even better. Like they were just tiny and they worked. Now they're large, expensive, and I have had to delete several videos because I just don't have audio because the GoPro just stops recognizing the mic adapter. It's really dumb. I don't know, I'm not a fan, but whatever. I'm still gonna use them. I'm in a love-hate relationship. Call it Stockholm Syndrome. Alright, well, I'm almost to where I need to be now, so I'm gonna cut it, and then when I get back on the bike to go home, I will continue. Oh, that's a nice Jaguar. Look at that Jaguar. Tasty. Alright, I'll see you guys in a couple hours, aka 2 seconds.
5 hours later.
What's up, everybody? Again. Uh-oh, I hear sirens. What if I just run over that? Well, I don't want to make this video strictly a GoPro rant, so I'm going to end it with this. It is Valentine's Day today that I'm filming. I'm probably not going to upload this for like several weeks, so sorry if it's a little late. But I love you all. Not really. Oh, look, a metal plate. Oh yeah, let's just throw metal plates on everything. Oh, the road still sucks. But yeah, I hope you guys have somebody to share Valentine's Day. Had somebody. Is that doesn't sound right either. I know Valentine's Day is in the past, but I hope you got to share it with someone special. Someone to love and hug and hold and cherish forever. If not, I hope you had a baller day as a bachelor, bachelorette, whatever you are. I hope you guys just had a great February. It was kind of a weird month. I had a lot going on. I don't know, maybe it was really normal or boring for the rest of you guys. Oh yeah, railroad tracks. Maybe not, I don't know. Anyway, I hope you guys have an awesome time. I hope you finish your February with great honors and Doritos. Yeah, I hope you go get some Doritos. That's gonna conclude this video for you guys. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't stop in the middle of the intersection. That'd be cool. Yeah, don't forget to do that. Yeah, don't forget about that. Hey, I have a black Camaro like that. It was black. before I wrapped it. Alright, peace out, Girl Scouts. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.